If you've ever wanted to share a very specific part of a web page in Firefox, there's a super useful feature called Copy Link to Highlight. It lets you create a link that points directly to the exact text you selected, which is perfect for sharing quotes, instructions, research notes, or anything on a page without making people hunt for it. In this video, I'll show you how to copy a link to highlight in Firefox step by step. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tips. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox launches, go to the web page that contains the text you want to share. Make sure the page finishes loading completely before you try to select anything on the page is fully visible and ready. Now, find the exact text you want to highlight. Click and drag your mouse over the words you want to share. You should see the text become highlighted, showing that it is selected. Take a second to make sure you've selected the right portion, because the link will point directly to this exact highlight. Next, right-click on the highlighted text to open the context menu. This menu gives you several options, but you're looking for the one that says Copy Link to Highlight. If you see it, click it once. Firefox will automatically generate a special link that jumps right to your selected text and copies it to your clipboard. If the option doesn't appear, that usually means the website may not support the feature on that page, or the page content isn't compatible with text highlighting links. In that case, try another website or another article and see if the option appears there. Many standard web pages support it, especially news articles, documentation pages, and text-heavy sites. After you click Copy Link to Highlight, the link is already copied, so the last step is to paste it wherever you want to share it. You can paste it into an email, chat message, document, or social post. When someone opens that link, Firefox will take them straight to the highlighted section of the page, making your message much clearer and faster to understand. This is a simple feature, but it's incredibly powerful when you want to share information precisely. No more telling people to scroll halfway down a page or search through a long article. Just highlight the text, copy the link, and send it. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Firefox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.